So many blessings are about to come into your life because you believed for so long. You never gave up. You remained faithful. Your dedication, passion, and patience help you keep going. Keep trusting me, it's all about to make sense. 3 months from now, you will be in completely different space. Spiritually, mentally, and financially. Keep praying, reading the Bible, and improving yourself. You are going to win. In Mark 2, Jesus healed a paralyzed man because of his friend's faith. This is why your circle matters. You cannot break a person who gets their strength from God. Some people have food, but they can't eat. Others can eat, but they don't have food. But for you, you have both. If you are grateful, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for encouraging me when I don't see how things are going to work out. Thank you for always seeing me through. Thank you, God, for giving me the strength to keep going. Everything I have, I owe to God. I smile because I know He is working. Type Amen if you believe in God. If you like this message, please subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to get new video notification.